Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditi Prabhukaruskar, a sports physiotherapist based out of Mumbai, and today I will be sharing with you a few general body exercises for your mobility and simple stretches that can be performed by children as well as parents alike. Exercise sideways neck stretch. You bend your neck to the right side first, at the same time keeping your left hand downwards. Bend your neck with the right hand. Gently overpressure onto the neck by taking your hand across towards the opposite ear and pull down. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and repeat 5 times. Same on the opposite side. Bend your neck to the right, gentle overpressure with the left hand and hold it for 30 seconds and repeat 5 times. Next is an exercise for strengthening your shoulder blades, also known as the scapular sweating exercise. Scapula is nothing but your shoulder blade. You start with keeping your hands in front of you like this, horizontally, with your elbow up at a 90-degree angle. Your fingertips touching each other in this manner. Pull your hands backwards to the point of feeling a pinch at the back and bring them back ahead. Pull back, hold this for 2 to 3 seconds and bring back. Pull back and back. Pull back and front. Back and front. Next up is stretching for your back muscles. Simply take your hand in front with your forearm pointing above. With the other hand close to the wrist. Pull your hand to the opposite side. Remember, body should not turn with the hand. Body should be straight, facing straight. Hand, pull with the opposite hand at the forearm to the opposite side. Left hand, you need to pull towards your right side. You will feel a stretch at this point. That is at the muscles next to the shoulder blade. Pull. Hold the stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds and release slowly. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. Next up is a simple stretch for your upper chest muscles, also known as the pecs. For this, you simply need to stand against a door with a handle, your arm at 90 degrees opposite to your body. Hold the door and stand slightly closer with your elbow very little bent. Pivot to the opposite side and rotate your body to the opposite side. You will feel a stretch on your upper arm and chest. Hold this rotation for 10 to 15 seconds and slowly turn back. Pivot and rotate. Turn back. Not much movement should be at your feet. Just pivot the feet towards your right. Pivot to the outer side and back. Next up is an exercise for mobility of your thorax, also known as your rib cage or your torso. First, we go into a half kneeling position, which is like this. One leg planted firmly in front, other leg kneeling. Both hands pointing forward. With your left hand, you turn backwards and rotate your torso or your upper body as back as you can. So try to touch your hand behind and bring it in front. Likewise for the opposite side. Take it back. Try to look back as far as you can and bring the hand back in front. Repeat this exercise on each side for 15 times. Next up is an exercise also known as alternate toe touch. This is for mobility of your lower back and for the shoulder. Spread your legs shoulder width apart. Okay? Hands to your sides. Gently bend your lower back and touch your toe with the opposite hand. Come up, come back up. With the other hand, touch the opposite toe. While doing this, make sure you do not bend from your upper back like this. Wrong. While bending, see from the side view, you have to bend as if you're sitting on a chair first. Bend your lower back backwards and then touch. So you first take your lower back or your hips backwards. You take your hips backwards and then touch your toes. Next up, we will be doing the lunges. Slightly different from the traditional lunges, what we are doing now is known as the static lunge. Static lunge is an excellent exercise for strengthening your core, your buttock and your knee musculature. So we will be seeing this in the side view. Keep your right leg forward and stand on the toes of your left leg. Toes of both the leg pointing forwards. Simply go down and come back up. That's simple. However, keep in mind that while going down, you have to maintain your upper body or torso straight, fixed. Do not bend it forward or backward. Keep your torso fixed, straight and go down, bending your back knee and up. Make sure not to touch the mat. Go halfway and up. Go halfway and up. Try to tuck your tummy in while going down. Go down and up. On the other side, go down and up. Down and up. Repeat each side for 15 times. Next up, we will be doing a simple stretch for both the hamstring as well as the calf muscles. The hamstrings are the muscles of the back of the thigh and the calf muscles. Take a small step like this, or you could take this a single step from the staircase. Keep your heel over the step, bend forward, pushing your buttocks behind and try to touch your toe. Hold this stretch. For those who have a good flexibility and are able to touch their toe, try to go beyond the toe and touch the back of your heel. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 5 times on each side. Next up, we will be doing an exercise known as the glute bridge or pelvic bridging. This exercise is excellent for mobility of your hip and lower back, at the same time for strengthening your core muscles, that is your abdominal muscles. Simply lie down on a mat with your knees bent and feet firmly planted on the floor. Like this. Hands at the side. Press your hands down onto the floor and raise your buttocks up. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and back. Push down on your hands and raise your buttocks up and down. While pushing down on your hand and raising the buttock up, make sure you are not stressing or lifting your shoulders. Your shoulders need to be completely relaxed. All you need to do is with your hips, pull your hips up or your back up and bring it down. Then up, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and then bring them down. Repeat this for 15 to 20 times. Next up, we will be doing a stretch for your buttocks and lower back muscles. Simply lie down on your back. With your knees bent forward, pull both the knees towards your chest. Hold this for 10 to 15 seconds and leave. In case you are not able to pull both the knees to your chest together, pull individually one by one at a time, like this. The goal here is to pull the knee to your chest and make contact between the two. Repeat these for 10 to 15 times either together or on each side individually and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Next up is stretching for your thigh muscles, also known as your quadriceps. For this stretch, you need to lie down on your stomach. We will lie down on our stomach and pull both heels towards the buttocks together. Hold your feet and pull your heels towards your buttock. This will make you feel a stretch over here. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 5 times. Next up is a simple exercise for stretching the lower back musculature, also known as the Bhujangasana, or which is a part of the Surya Namaskar. Lie down on your stomach, push with your forearms up and raise your upper body or torso up as far as you can, like this. We lie down on the stomach. I bring both my palms to my sides or slightly in front and I come up. Make sure to keep your elbows straight. And look upwards. For those who find it difficult to stretch upwards on your palms, you can do the same thing on your forearms. You can come up on your forearms like forearms and stretch up. When you stretch up, hold the stretch for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat this exercise 15 times. Thank you.